If your mower won't start, just bring it over here.
I've got this weed eater push mower, sir.
Can I start it for you?
Sure, but it won't start. Told you.
I'll spray some stirring fluid in there.